Good morning. Here we are at my childhood spillway. Haven't been here in years. Weirspan Lake in Omaha, spillway. I'll tell you where it is, I don't care. All this used to be like chewed up concrete, holes everywhere. They redid this. That's nice. Very nice. Big fish. Wow, this is nice now. Yeah, look. It used to be like this. All the way up. This is nice. And very green. Very green. This is weird. Let's start off with the lure. Start off with the lure. Let's cast right up in there. Yeah. It's really grassy in here today. I remember when I was a kid. That's right, I was a kid once. I remember you could see all the way clear to the bottom. Clear. It was like, I've never seen such clear water before. Just starting off with a lure, then I'm going to get some bottom bait in there. Probably going to get a piece of chicken, Kool-Aid. Crap on it. And a couple worms. We're not going to fish here long. Or we will. I don't know yet. Just enjoying some nature right now. Beautiful day. Come on, I'm snagged in the freaking weed. There we go, I'm out of it. The bobber was. Alright, let's get back in there before the fish go away. It's a big one. Yep. Oh! 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 Come on, fishy, fishy, I saw you. That bobber went clean under. I missed it. I missed her. That was gonna be a crappie. Guaranteed. You know how long it's been since I've caught a crappie? You know how long it's been since I fished at a spillway? Years. Dude, no joke, years. Man, I'm keeping this out for a little bit. So I can rig up another pole. Oh, almost died. Every video. Every single video. I'm just hurrying up and knotting these on. I'm not going to thread it all the way in. Screw that. I don't care. I don't drive a truck. That's Tom McDonald. And it's really rocky up in there, so there we go. There we go. I'm gonna put this one over yonder. And James will watch that one like a good boy. We're catching something today, boys. Guaranteed. This place has never failed me. Never. Ever. Not once. Or twice, even. Should have brought some minnows, dude. Should have brought some minnows. Getting little niblets on this one. Little tiny baby niblets. You see anything up there? Is it just totally green from the up there too? Come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, fish on, baby. Woo! Oh, what is that? That's a big one. That's a carp. That's a little common. What now, Jim? I'm catching fish. My dry spell is over. Yeah. Get this grass off of it. My worm is all the way up the line, too. Dry spell is over. Giggity. I'm kissing this one. I don't care what anybody says. I'm kissing it.
I'm throwing it back.
You're throwing it back?
Yeah.
Dry spell is over, baby. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Ready? Yummy. You want to throw it back?
Yeah. Do.
You dropped the fish. You were a murderer. An absolute murderer. I'm calling the cops, James. Only 16 minutes in and we caught a fish. You know what? In all my years of fishing, I tell you what, bud, I don't think I've ever caught a carp on a bobber. Oh, look at that. My bobber's gone. I have a fish on. It's going down. Yeah, it's on. It's on. It's on. It is on. Fish on, fish on, fish on. Is that a bullhead? Oh, guys, that is a big bullhead. Guys, ow, careful. Got my mouth. That is the biggest bullhead I think I've ever seen.
That's like a 3-pound bullhead.
That might, 3 pound, 2. That might be my PB, guys. I swallowed my hook. Oh, that's my PB. Easily. Easily. His butthole's hanging out. That's weird. See it? Butthole. He'll live. That was a beautiful release. Yep. Battery died. Had to change batteries. That was a nice one. That was a very nice one. Come on, get out of the freaking weeds. Thank you. And they're back in the weeds. There you go. Yeah, that was that's probably up there with my PB fish right there for sure. Little bullhead. Hopefully we catch something big. Because I know they're in here. I've seen 20 pounders years ago, but 20, 30 pound. I've seen, I wouldn't doubt it was a 50-pound flathead swimming on the bottom, right in the middle, right here. Because it's a spillway to a giant lake. Weirspan Lake. That was a nice fish right there. It seems like today they're all Tiny, tiny, tiny. Except that bullhead. I think I got me a bite. Sure do. Sure do. Sure do. Another massive, massive bullhead. Ow. Hey, I just threw that grasshopper right there from the top. I totally threw it up there. Now he's swimming right here as I got down here. Pliers. Got him. Another massive bullhead. Beautiful. And boom. And boom. Grasshopper. Done. Ready? Oh, I'm tangled somewhere. Grasshopper. You saw me put it on. That wasn't a really good cast. Let me recast that one, James. Giggity. Good cast. Grasshopper, James. Watch this. Grasshopper on. All right. Whew. Come on. Come on. I feel your nibbles. Got one. Got one. Got one. Another bullhead, huh? Man, these things are biting my ow. Calm down. Come on. James, these ones are really swallowing my hooks. They swallow hooks, huh? Where's my hook? Dang it, man. Well, if you didn't swallow my hook, it wouldn't be so painful. Got him. There he is. There he is. They're big here. Quality release. Today is a good day. Boom. I just got a bite. Gone. I'm putting full worms on this. What is everybody's favorite fish to catch? Let me know in the comments. That'd be swell. Mine, very unpopular, probably. My favorite fish to catch is carp. Absolutely love catching those bastards. I mean, they fight. They fight. And what's everybody's dream fish to catch? Never caught one? Well, you want to catch one more than anything in the world. Me? I have a few. Lake sturgeon, paddlefish, Goliath grouper. Those three are my goal. I'm hoping to one day go snagging for paddlefish. Oops. For paddlefish. I'm really hoping one day I will. My buddy lives in Florida, so I can go for some Goliath grouper down there one day. Another one, lake sturgeon. I don't know. Where do I go for those? Another bite. Nope, missed it. But yeah, dream fish right there. 3. Oh, by the way, if you're not subscribed, please do. That'd be swell. Fish on. Shall it be another bullhead? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, indeed. Swallowed my dang hook again. Freaking really? I see the hook this time. Calm down. Want me to hold you? I'll hold you. I got you. I got you. I got you, little guy. Man, luckily I stopped at work and got my pliers. I need to get some pliers for my tackle box. I broke my line. Hell yeah. Worm. I can't let you keep that hook. I'm running low. Come on. keep my hook. Whatever. Wanted to keep it anyway. We're almost done. I want to catch one more fish. One more and then we're done. All right, bud. One more fish and then we're done. We did a good job. We did a... Right, bud? I want pepper jacks. Get some Phillies. Huh? Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna reel this one in because I bet it's snagged. Hey, it's not snagged. It's snagged. It's oh, I got it. Absolutely nothing on this chicken. Nothing. Nothing at all. Oh, productive day. Yeah, the first place we went to was a total bust. Then I was deciding, I was like, you know what? Let's go home. But then I remembered this place from my childhood and I was like, abso-frickin-lutely. This place has never failed. Never. But we're gonna catch one more fish. One more, that's it. And we be done. We be done, yo. Got one. Hey! A freaking bass! 4 species. I was reeling it in. I was about to hey, there you go. See ya. Oh, come on. There you go. Oh, come on. There you go. There you go. I didn't even need to take it off.
Kind of wet.
Yeah, I'm a little wet. Perfect. What did we catch? Bullheads. We caught a common carp. We caught a bass. A largemouth. I didn't even need to take it off. I still caught it. I touched it. I don't care what you say. Yeah. That's it. From Wearspan Lake Spillway. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah. What happened? You want to dump the worms out, just throw them in the water. Those worms are pretty much dead. Yep, like, comment, subscribe. I'm pressing my luck here, trying to catch another fish. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Share this video. Do whatever you need to. We have 760 subscribers. We had 761 yesterday. That's sad. But yeah. Let's get to 1,000. All right. Like, comment, subscribe. Wearspan Lake Spillway, Chalco Hills. Come on and fish here, man. It's a blast. See ya.